So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I have gone MIA, but I haven't been feeling well. Let me just catch you guys up a little bit on what's been going on with my health. I've been suffering severely from allergies, from asthma. I've been having crazy asthma attacks. It's been pretty bad. So I went and I got a allergy test. Well, apparently I am severely allergic to dogs, and I have 2 dogs. But I guess I'm going through treatment right now to try to see if I can manage the situation, because to be honest, I'm not going to get rid of my dogs. They're my babies, they're my life, they're my children basically. I'm not going to get rid of them. So I've been suffering a little, so if you hear me a little funny, it's because, you know, I've been taking medication and I really can't breathe that well through my nose. I'm struggling to sleep at night, and it's been pretty hectic. But it's crazy how this just happened. Like, I've always been allergic to dogs, but not as severe. So I guess due to the long exposure, it's just gotten worse, and I don't know what's going on. I've had dogs my entire life. I've never had this issue. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys my BoxyCharm. I just got it in the mail. So I did open it on one side with the scissors. Excuse my blue nails. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but I dyed my hair blue. Well, I sort of did like a semi-permanent. I was really bored, to be honest, with the black. This isn't me. I need some color in my life. So right here is the card, and it says Afterglow. So the first thing I see in here, so this is a facial cleaner from pharmacy, and it's called Clean Bee. So it says Ultra Gentle Facial Cleaner. Oh, that's cool. So I think it has like honey in it maybe. But let's see how much that costs. So this retails for $22. Oh, cool. So it has chamomile, licorice root, coconut, sugar. Oh, okay. Turmeric. Okay. Well, that's pretty cool. I can't wait to try this. I know I've used some of their products before, and I absolutely love them, especially the cleansing balm. It's amazing. And the second thing I see in here is the No Pore Blend Primer. Smooth, a pore covering, top secret, perfect for makeup. Okay. So this is from Touch and Soul, and it retails for $18. So supposedly it creates a seamless canvas for your foundation. Okay, so it says it's light and a silky texture, blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. It has green tea and collagen, acts as an adhesive, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. So I'm gonna have to give this a try. I'm just gonna open it a little bit so I can smell it. It smells like lotion, basically like your typical lotion. I poured a little on my hand. You know what? I do have a little bit of wrinkles on my hands, and I'm not gonna lie, I do see the blurring effect. So I'm kind of excited to try this out. It doesn't feel too like heavy, too thick, and it is light, and I really do see the blurring effect, like, and it feels hydrating. I have in here, so this is a primer inside. What? So this is Trestique Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. This 2-in-1 lip duo features a luxurious lip smoothing primer. This retails for $25. And wait, so this is the lipstick. primer. Oh, so the primer's in here. Wow. Okay, so I do like this color. It doesn't have much coverage, I would say, but it is definitely moisturizing. I like it. It's cute. Then we have, I love this mascara. So this is the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced, and it retails for $24. I absolutely love this mascara. I never actually bought the full size. I've always had a bunch of samples. So since I keep getting a bunch of samples, I just don't end up buying it. But I'm pretty excited to have this one. The last thing in here is a Pretty Vulgar Shimmery Swan highlighter, and this retails for $32. So this is the highlighter. Let me get a highlighting brush so we can try this out. I love their blushes and their setting powders. Oh, so this is nice. It has, oh, okay. This has a lot of not bad. Their packaging is like super cute too, and that is pretty much everything I got in my BoxyCharm this month. I hope to see you guys soon with a tutorial of something, and happy Valentine's Day, guys. Bye bye.